Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your Honda Accord look better full guide. Start by inspecting paint, trim, wheels, and interior to pinpoint the biggest visual issues you can tackle first. Make a simple plan with a realistic budget and timeline so you avoid costly surprises. I'll walk you through easy upgrades, cleaning tips, and affordable mods that deliver big visual impact without overcomplicating the process. Start with a thorough wash and clay bar to remove grime and prepare surfaces. Address paint chips and scratches with touch-up paint, then use polish and wax for depth and shine. Restore faded plastic trim and headlights to instantly refresh the exterior look. Consider affordable wheel upgrades, tasteful emblems, or a subtle lip spoiler to modernize styling while keeping a clean, cohesive appearance that suits the Accord. A clean interior dramatically improves perceived value, so start with a deep vacuum, shampoo, and steam clean where needed. Replace worn mats and refresh seat fabric, or use fitted seat covers for a neat look. Small upgrades like new trim accents, vinyl wraps on panels, and ambient lighting create a modern feel. I'll show practical tips to do these tasks affordably and keep your Accord feeling refreshed every day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.